In today's rapidly evolving world, even industries rooted in tradition need to embrace modern tools. But how do you transition from aging methods to technologies that can revolutionize your operations? With Olori Technology, you don't start from scratch. We integrate your current systems with advanced AI and robotics. An example could be providing tools like predictive maintenance, autonomous AI agents, and real-time environmental analytics. Imagine increasing your efficiency while promoting sustainable forestry practices. In construction, every second counts. Yet many projects are delayed by outdated systems and technology that can't keep pace with modern demands and global competition. By integrating Olori's AI-powered analytics, you can take your construction projects to the next level. From virtual simulations to real-time analytics, you'll reduce errors, optimize resources, and build America's energy future.
So my AI helps me save forests. What is yours doing?
It's helping me build clean energy, saving the planet and boosting the economy. Guess even Republicans can go green.
Fair point. Maybe your AI can help me plant some trees over those oil wheels.
Only if your trees learn to vote red.
Protecting nature or powering the future, Olori Technology ensures you're equipped to meet today's challenges with tomorrow's tools. Join the businesses transforming America with Olori Technology. We help you integrate cutting-edge AI and robotics into your existing systems, making innovation accessible for everyone. Together, let's drive America forward. Olori Technology, bringing the future to your business today. Olori Technology, the bridge between culture and technology past, present, and future.